Alright guys, so we're going to run the random for uh, the Raiders, Seahawks, Titans team. We got two people involved. We got Mark Talley and John Davin. Talley and I have already talked, so I'm vouching for him. I want to get this thing broke so we can get it out of here. So we've got these 8 names all set up currently right here in the same order. The time is 9:52. It is 9:52. Break mini Raiders, Seahawks, Titans. I always roll 2 die. I look for anything 6 or higher than 6. So anything higher than 6. First roll is a 3. We roll again. Next roll is a 2. We roll again. Next roll is a 10. So we're going to random it 10 times. Once again, 9:53, 9:53. I forgot to actually type live when I was over here. The good thing is we're still set up. Live. There we go. 9:53. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to get this done. Still 9:53. 10 rounds. We're looking for the top person, wins all 3 teams. Here we go. Yeah, I know. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, shit. Well, I was going to show the times. Well, there you go. It's 9:53. Mark Talley, Ryan, 1 with a 3 spot, 9:53. Go over here. I'll type done. Congratulations, Mark Talley. I will get your teams lit up on the list. Sorry, John. Maybe next time. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.